Hi, so yesterday we have worked through this data of Pakistan Bureau of Statistics, and yeah, you're working on this data on this sheet. So while doing exploratory research, I went to another source on the same website of Pakistan Bureau of Statistics to confirm the data. So once I happened to click over here, I found the data here of sugar, which mentions 33,101 and 215,756 for year 23, fiscal year 24. The idea was to reconcile these numbers from a previous report that is also a exports report by commodities and countries in Pakistan Bureau of Statistics. So, just to confirm that we have picked the right HS code for this. So, indeed, we did, and that is exact the numbers. So, we picked the right HS code because there were a lot of them, and we have to find whether we are finding the correct number now. Also, when we go and explore here and look at the data, we find that this data, this website, uh, is basically this report. We go here, we click on publications, and when we find this report, it shows that this analytical report for annual uh, trade statistics of Pakistan is for year fiscal year 23 to 24, for fiscal year 21 to 22, and for fiscal year 2020 to 2021. And we don't have other analytical reports for this. So it's probably that from year 2019 and beyond to 2015, and then further beyond the 2015 to year 2000, let's say 11 and all, they might not have the data because they might have started from report doing the external trade statistics report, annual report from year 2021, 2020, and perhaps they're continuing it. So that was that, and further they have monthly reviews of foreign trade, etc. So that was about this report. Now, also since it's not easy to find it again, so I try to write it. How we can find it. We go to external trade statistics option and then further to publications. That's how we find. So it's just not easy to find data on this website. Uh, for a person like me, since I'm not a government and a person of any such institute, so I do have some research skills. So I try to find it that way. But if not easy for an ordinary person to look for the data, so I also think of certain solution for it. So I'll just share it in a while. So further, when I was doing my research, I came across this to see further what agriculture statistics data we have pertaining to sugar industry. When I was looking for the information, I came to find here this website, and it showed that they they have this updated numbers for till year 2011 only, and not of the recent years. So if we come here, we look for the sugarcane commodity, we find it here. We click on it, and it is the whole data we have. Also, they have written in three four digits, which is not sufficient, as I have explained earlier in the video, how missing even by points make a lot of impact when we don't record all hectares in full amount, in full numbers. So they have reported the hectares, area hectares for sugarcane till year 2011 only. So this was not sufficient, though they have for all the provinces, that is KPK, Punjab, Balochistan, and the whole Pakistan, but that was not sufficient. So this data, I perhaps think they have not continued further. Then I came across another important data for area production of important crops. So they do have indicative prices and all that, but they have quoted the source of Agriculture Policy Institute, Islamabad. The idea is I have seen often the PSMA sourcing writing that they have picked sugar retail prices from PVS. PVS is sourcing API for indicative prices, and so I think there should be one main source. Let's say it's a sugarcane indicative prices, and there should be provincial governments, and they have a notification for it. I think that notification, for referencing the correct source, original source, would be more beneficial, especially related to public data, and which is being reported by national and public interest institutes like such as these. So that was one of the things. Now for the search, so you don't go and find data like this. You go to PBS and you go to Agriculture Statistics website and then you find the tables. So until if let's say if one day like today you went and find all this, next day you go, you're not going to remember where you can find this data. So you actually have to record it like this. It should not be like this, and I think it can be improved. How? Let's say you this is the external trade statistics and the publications. You click here, and you're not going to get to the data until you have actually recorded that you went here. Like first you went to the website, then you went here, then you click here, and then you're going to get to the data. And then further you have to do a bit more search and find the exact data you want to get to. I think the search engine here option could be improved by making it based on Google search engine model that uses perhaps the semantic relationship search engine. That is the vectors that you use for for mapping the search engine and bringing out the correct data. So even an ordinary person, if they want to look for the data, do the analysis, or just to read the data, just for the understanding purpose, they can easily search here and find the data. So that would become more easy. So I think that was that, and and this we have completed. Yes, thank you.